morning, afternoon, or night, depending in the time that you are watching this video. My name is Mariano Lopez, and in this case, I will be doing the unboxing of the iPhone 14 Pro. Let's go with the video. As you see here, we have an Apple bag, and inside of the Apple bag, we have the iPhone. Also, I got a screen protector, a beautiful case, and this charger to put in the wall. First, we are going to open the box, then the case, then we are going to put the screen protector, and at the end I will show you this new charger that is brand new. Instead of having one plug, it have two plugs to charge, like you have your iPhone, and also you can charge at the same time your Apple Watch or your AirPods, or I think even a MacBook. You don't imagine, guys, the excitement that I have to have finally this new phone. Now let's open it. Voila! I love that sound. Ta-da! Man, it looks beautiful. Okay, now let's see the box. As you can see, this new iPhone have something called Dynamic Island. If you compare the boxes from this is the iPhone 13 Pro. If you compare the boxes, they are different. This one came black. You only see the back side in this new phone because it have the Dynamic Island. People need to know this feature: the Apple logo, iPhone, the Apple logo, again iPhone, the specifications. Let's continue with the unboxing. Wow, it looks so beautiful, and man, these cameras are so big. As you see here, we have the iPhone, the cable, and the instructions from Apple. I was almost going to skip the instructions, but this is very important. As you see here, it says designed by Apple in California, and inside we see that this new iPhone is just compatible with the eSIM. What is a eSIM? An eSIM is a virtual chip. For example, T-Mobile, AT&T, Verizon. Right now, if you want this iPhone to get calls and internet and messages, you need to use this new technology that is called eSIM or eSIM. The instructions and the Apple logo. Now we are going to remove this cheap plastic that I don't like it. Okay, we are going to turn on this phone, and while I turn on this phone, I am going to see everything that is in the design of this phone. You can see the speakers, the lightning connector, to turn the phone on and off, the beautiful big camera, the flash, and also the good thing about this phone is that it have a very smart and advanced VR camera, because the future is VR. Facebook is doing that, maybe soon Apple is going to get to the public like smart glasses or something like that. And man, you can see the dynamic island when I turn the phone on and off, how it disappeared. Now I am going to put the screen protector to this new phone, the case, and I will show everybody this new adapter for the wall. As you see here, this is the case that this phone is going to have. I love this case because it's very colorful. One of my favorite colors is purple, but also at the same time it's like blue, and you can see small color details in this case. And man, this big camera is very funny. One day the camera of the new iPhone generations maybe it's going to be all the phone. We don't know, it can happen. Also, this case have the MagSafe. I choose this screen protector from the company Spigen because it's a brand that I know. I've been getting screen protectors cases from this company, and it's worth it because sometimes you get from Amazon or other companies like regular screen protectors, or even you go to the Apple store to get a screen protector and they are not durable. They are very delicate, the screen protectors, and at the end I need to waste more and more money, and I am not going to waste money. The inside looks like this. It's hard to get it. In this case, we have two screen protectors, the instructions, and everything that we need to put it well, because I don't want to mess up. And when you mess up putting a screen protector, the phone looks bad, and I always want to do perfection. And finally, we are going to end with this dual USB Type-C portable and compact power adapter. Now it's time to open the compact power adapter. It's very easy to open. Okay, this is how it comes. The power adapter, the instructions, I use that. Okay. And here you're supposed to put like the iPhone and the AirPods or anything that is Type-C. If you have an Android phone and it's Type-C, you can put it, or a computer. I don't know the instructions, but this is so easy. You don't need the instructions to plug this to a wall. Like you can see, guys, mostly all my YouTube videos, they are on Spanish, but I was like, it would be fun to do one day a video on English, and this is the time. I wish you like the video. I hope that you are understanding my English, but I think that because I've been learning English since I was a little boy in a private school, my English is very, very good. Not very good, very excellent. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, to give a like, and unfortunately, because there are a lot of spammers on YouTube, the comment section is off. If you want to chat with me, go to my Instagram and I will be glad to chat with you, even if it is on English or Spanish or even French. And now I will speak in Spanish for my Spanish speakers. Recuerden, amigos, suscribirse, dar like, y si quieren comentar, comenten en mi Instagram. Ok, guys. Ok, chicos en español. Bye.